Hey, strap in because we're about to dive headfirst into the heart of Jamaica, where the beats are as hot as the sun and the parties never stop. But here's the million-dollar question. What's your flavor of celebration? Are you all in for the soul-stirring rhythms of Reggae Sumfest? Or does the exhilarating whirlwind of Carnival in Jamaica call your name? We're about to embark on an epic journey to find out just which vibe fits you best. Let's get this party started, and trust me, you don't want to miss a beat. Now imagine this. The night is young, the air is filled with the pulsating rhythms of reggae music, and you, yes you, are in the middle of it all, surrounded by legends of the genre and the passionate fans who worship them. Welcome to Reggae Sumfest, my friends. This isn't just any music festival, it's a pilgrimage for reggae enthusiasts. Born in the 90s in the vibrant city of Montego Bay, Sumfest quickly skyrocketed to international fame, becoming the must-visit event for anyone who claims to feel the reggae beat in their heart. But it's not just about the music. It's about the culture, the people, and the unforgettable memories you're about to create. Picture this. Multiple nights of performances that go on until the sun peaks over the horizon. From Jamaican legends to the freshest acts and even the occasional international star, Sumfest is an all-night energy fest that will leave you breathless. And let's not forget, it's all happening where the beaches are as inviting as the tunes. If you're a reggae purist or just looking for a concert-like atmosphere that's all about the music, the culture, and the vibes, then Sumfest is your jam. But wait, there's another side to Jamaica's party persona. Enter Carnival in Jamaica. Oh, and it's not just any carnival. It's a spectacular explosion of colors, costumes, and non-stop dancing to the infectious beats of soca music. The Caribbean carnival tradition, with its roots tangled in a history of French influence and pre-Lent celebrations, has morphed into one of Jamaica's most vibrant and eagerly anticipated events, celebrating freedom, unity, and the indomitable spirit of the Jamaican people. Imagine yourself decked out in elaborate costumes, dancing in the streets with the mass bands, and getting lost in the high-energy vibes of fetes that lead up to the grand spectacle of the Road March. Carnival in Jamaica is a dazzling display of cultural celebration, where the focus is squarely on vibrant partying, stunning costumes, and letting loose. It's a time when the entire island comes alive, a testament to its people's joyous spirit and resilience. It's where the heart of the party beats the loudest, perfect for those who live for the dance and the dazzling display of carnival spirit. So here we are at the crossroads. Do we sway to the soulful rhythms of Reggae Sumfest, or do we dance till dawn at Carnival? It's the ultimate showdown between the immersive musical journey of Sumfest and the all-encompassing party atmosphere of Carnival. And let's talk timing. While Sumfest lights up the summer, Carnival bursts onto the scene around Easter, each offering its unique vibe depending on the season. Cost? Well, that can vary. Sumfest might be all about those concert nights, while Carnival can have you splurging on costumes and party tickets. But here's the thing. It's not about the price. It's about the experience. Which beat does your heart follow? That's the real question. And let's not forget about the delicious Jamaican cuisine available at both festivals, adding another layer of sensory delight to your experience. My take? Both festivals are a testament to Jamaica's rich cultural tapestry, each with its own flavor and charm. But hey, that's just me. What about you? Are you Team Sumfest, ready to lose yourself in the music? Or are you Team Carnival, set to dazzle in the ultimate street party? Or perhaps are you intrigued by the idea of experiencing both, diving deep into the heart of Jamaica's unparalleled cultural celebrations? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because we're dying to know. And hey, why choose? Jamaica's big enough for both, and your heart? Well, it's got room for all the beats. Plus, imagine the stories you'll have to tell, the dances you'll learn, and the music that will stay with you long after the festivals. There you have it, folks. An epic showdown between the soul-stirring Reggae Sumfest and the exhilarating Carnival in Jamaica. Which one calls to you? Whichever it is, one thing's for sure. Jamaica knows how to throw a party, so pack your bags, bring your energy, and let's make some memories. This isn't just a trip. It's an adventure into the heart of what makes Jamaica truly magical. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures right here. Until next time, keep the party in your heart and let the music guide your way. Peace out.